Hello all. So this is a small demo for designer gown. Okay, so designer gown is nothing but a complete one-piece garment, often floor length. Okay, this what I have designed is it's a band at the neck. Okay, and it's a cold shoulders with an elbow length sleeve, right? And then this is the bodice of the gown, and we have tiny knife pleats for the skirt part. And then if you see, the length at the back, hemline at the back is floor length, and here it is the knee level. So knee level we will take the front. I have cut it like this. So this is the design for the gown. Whatever design that you want, you can draw like this and then start doing the draping. Okay, now let's start do the draping. Okay, for the off shoulder sleeve we will be taking the arm measurement. It is almost 10.5 inches. So the same 10.5 inches I will measure here. Okay, so the measurement is done. So now what I will do is I will pin these two here, in these two sections, and create a tube. So this is how you drape a sleeve. Okay, so this is your sleeve tube. So you can just fit it into that till here. Okay, so you can just mark right from here. Okay, so here the skin will be seen in the gown. So this is your sleeve, and we are just going to make it till the elbow length. So this is your elbow length. So just like a short sleeve we are making it, right? So your sleeve will look like this. Let this go. Okay, so this how the front of the gown will look. Okay, once you have marked everything, you just check, double check everything. Later you can just remove it from the dress form and then make it. Okay. Started. So now if you see, this is the bodice, front bodice for the gown that we have designed. So you have to just take the length and the breadth, block the fabric through the fabric and pin it according to the dress form's shape. After that you have to pin it neatly, do the darts and everything, and then pin it up neatly and do the style lines. So these are the style lines that I have done. So you can draw, and then later once you remove the pins from the dress form, you have to use French curve and scale and do the neat lines properly. So for now you are just roughly taking the style lines. So this is on fold, cut 1 plus 1, one is lining and one is the main fabric. So fabrics you can choose anything ranging from satin, from sequence fabric, or chiffon, georgette, anything that is more stylized. Okay, you can take a shiny fabric, do the evening gown. Okay, so this is the pattern for this. Now let's do the skirt part. So now if you see, this is the skirt part of the gown. So skirt part, if you see, I have made knife pleats of almost 3 centimeters. Equally I have taken the pleats and I have just pinned it up. And if you see, it is almost left to the floor. So I have got almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pleats. So let me just mark it off. Marking is very important because once you remove the pleats, you won't know which is the thing. So please mark off something like this so that you will know how to pin it back. Okay. So take your own marking method so that you can, once you remove it from the dress form, you will know exactly how to put it back. Okay, so this is my side hem. So side hem, I am just marking it here like this. Okay, so next, as the design says, we need to make a concave shape here. So you can just see which is your knee length. So knee length is somewhere here. Okay, so from here you are making a curve like this. Okay. So this is just a rough marking that I am doing. So later you can true it later. Sorry. So now from this junction you have to make a dotted line. So it's not that perfect. So once you remove it from the dress form, you can make it into a perfect thing and then trim it off. Okay, so this is your gown front part. The same way you will do the pleating at the back and then cut the fabric. Okay, yeah.